Also this one.
Oh, cheek leader.
Yeah,
I'm using
those. I need some highlighter.
Yeah.
Give me them highlighters.
Wait, I want to see that.
Wow.
Fenty Beauty.
This might have been a bad idea. See, look what I found.
Oh!
He's got a big bald head.
A big bald head.
Ooh!
I think I'm going to use this.
This is going to end up all over my eyes. I'm going to end up with one eye after tonight.
Nose.
What does this look like?
Hola.
Hola!
We want to build a snowman. Wait, do we need to shout
the whole time.
Do we need...
You need to be
It's
quiet.
been recording the whole time.
Let's
No.
just be quiet.
It's on 7
No.
minutes.
Just please.
Mummy, do we need to shout?
Please be
Do
quiet.
we need to shout?
No, you don't. You just need to be
You
quiet.
say we need to shout.
Can we just be quiet
No.
for just 1 second?
No.
Hi everybody, it's Gemma,
Seth and B.
Welcome back to Pampered Wolf. Today I am letting these two loose on my makeup and me. It's already been eventful them picking out the makeup that they actually want to use. So goodness knows how long this video is going to take to actually apply the makeup. But we're going to have a little bit of fun this afternoon.
Fun.
Hopefully you'll all have fun watching it as well. So let's get on with this video. Make sure you have liked, you have subscribed, and you're also following me on Instagram if you're not following me on there already. I do lots of lives at the moment over on Instagram, so you're missing out if you're not following me over on there as well. It's at Pampered Wolf, all lowercase, no spaces. Okay, so we're going to start off with foundation. What foundation are you using, Seth?
NARS.
NARS, they can't see that, baby.
Uh-oh.
There you go. Seth is going to be using the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade Gobi, which is my winter shade. And B, what are you using? B, very professional, Beatrice.
Bare Minerals.
The Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Stick. So this one is also a beautiful product. If you want the full-blown reviews on both of these products, I think I have them over in the foundation playlist.
They go all over.
You should be
Yep.
helping us here.
Absolutely everywhere.
I'm sorry if I get it in your eye.
This is not a
I'm
good
going to look
idea.
like a pirate after
I
this
got
has
it in
ended.
your hair.
Oh, that's okay. Don't worry.
Yeah.
I am done with that. Now I need
some
to...
more.
We're quiet today.
You're quiet today?
This is not working.
I'll make a barrier for us.
Go on, give it some welly bit. Go on, really, really blend.
Okay, I need more.
Oh my goodness, you need more?
Yes. Look, it's not working.
I kind of got it in your hair.
That's okay.
What I did. What? It's not funny.
It is.
I've just done a way better job than me.
You're doing a really good job, Seth.
Thank you. Professional.
Yeah.
So, Seth, who is your favourite of all of my subscribers?
Pat.
Yes, Pat, who you always ask about and who always asks about you. You love Pat, don't you?
Oh, shut your eyes, please.
Am I doing this right?
You're doing very, very well, actually.
Am I?
You didn't
Yeah.
expect us to do that, did you?
Both of you are doing extremely well. Well
I
done.
don't think I'm doing that well.
As well as wrecking the joint at the same time.
Uh-oh.
That's okay, don't worry.
Fine.
Okay.
Okay. Iconic.
Somebody help. Send help quickly.
I've put a lot on, B's put less on.
Yeah.
Okay, so foundation is completed.
Step in a bit.
Whilst my children are completely wrecking my filming room, let's discuss what eyeshadow palettes you're actually going to use today. Beatrice, which one are you going to be using?
Revolution.
Okay, so this is it's covered in fingerprints, this one, because they've got foundation all over their fingers. It's the Revolution Flawless Ultra Eyeshadows palette. Let's show the inside of this palette because it's a really nice neutrals palette there. beautiful, beautiful shades in there. And what have you chosen today, Seth?
The Revolution Makeup Revolution London, and it's the extra spice.
Soap palette.
Soap palette.
It's the extra spice. And which one are you really looking forward to using, Seth?
This one.
Okay, so here are the eyeshadow brushes.
Ooh, this is a nice colour. I kind of messed up a little bit.
That's okay, don't worry.
I'm ready.
Come on then, B.
Wait, can we use two?
You can use whatever you like.
Wait, so we could use two at a time?
Yeah.
Oh.
So I managed to steer them away from my really expensive palette. I hid my Tatty Beauty Textured Neutrals Volume 1 palette because there was no way they were getting their fingers on that.
And I don't know where it is now. Gosh.
B, can I use that black in your palette, please?
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, which one?
They're using black.
I'm not. I mean,
This is a very good idea. Whoever commented this, thank you.
This video, by the way, was one of the Pampered Wolf Pack's ideas. They came up with this video idea, so thank you very much, whoever came up with this.
Thank you.
I'm done. Look at my side.
Mine is absolutely awful, as you can see.
Do you know yours is actually quite pretty, B?
Yeah,
okay.
mine is absolutely
I use
flawless.
Shall we move on to brows? Okay, so we're going to move on to brows. Seth, what brow product are you both going to be using today?
Brow Power by It.
It Cosmetics. So it's the
Ah.
Brow Power by It Cosmetics. A great brow product. So I'm going to let Seth go for it first.
Wait,
and then
how
we'll
do I
pass it on
use
to B.
this?
You just draw it on, really, Seth. You can...
Drawing.
Hello, Seth. Seth Laura, your brows are there. Your brow isn't. Wait, you didn't let us choose eyeliner.
That's okay. That's really... Do you really want to use eyeliner?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll choose eyeliner in just a second when you've done the brows then.
That's good, Seth. I'm making you look
actually
good.
supposed to look better than when I started.
My side's good.
Except from your eyeshadow, you do.
I'm just not going to do too much because it might ruin it.
You're doing a really good job. Okay, so we've just had to have a little break because Seth's blood sugar was low, so he's just had to have a little bit of a timeout. And we're going to go on to eyeliner. What eyeliner have you chosen today? Seth, what have you got? Well, I'll let you finish your sweet. What have you got, B?
I have chosen Revolution.
So it's the Revolution eyeliner, is it?
Revolution Makeup Revolution London. That's all it says.
Okay, I think it's their black liquid liner, that one. So which one are you using, Seth?
I have chosen the NYX Vivid Brights.
There we go. Ooh, down, 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 down. There we are. Fabulous. So it's the Epic Brights.
Yes.
And it's in
Vivid Brights.
Vivid Brights, and it's in bright reddy pink.
Yes. Bright ready.
Go for it then. Oh my goodness. Okay.
Wait, on the top. Seth, you don't put it up there.
You should have on the top of the eye.
No, you don't put it there, Seth. Do you put it there? You don't put it there. Seth, you don't put it there. Ow. You don't. Oh, I messed up really, really badly.
Okay then. I kind of messed up.
That's okay. Great. Should we move on to something else?
Yes.
Okay, so we're going to move on to concealer. What concealer have you chosen to use today? They're both using exactly the same concealer.
The Eraser Eye by Maybelline.
Okay. Very good. Very, very good. And it's in the shade Light. Go for it.
Oh dear.
Seth is just going to look like foundation.
I'm sorry that you look horrible on my side, Mummy.
I will not look horrible on your side, sir.
You do.
It's good, Seth.
No, it's absolutely awful.
Oh, Mummy, I got it on your eye.
That's okay, don't worry. Okay, so we move on to mascara. What mascara are you going to be using today? They've both chosen exactly the same mascara as well.
I think it's called Bang. And
it's Bad Gal Bang, and it's from Benefit.
I'm sorry, I'm gonna get it everywhere.
Okay, go on then, B.
Okay, hold on.
I'm being very brave, very brave, very brave.
That's pretty good.
Very good. Very gentle,
thank you.
very good. Professional status, that, Beatrice.
I am very sorry, Mummy. Oh dear.
Remember to do the bottom ones.
He's doing my nose as well.
Oops.
Take a tissue.
The tissue! We need the tissue!
The tissue.
No, wait for it to dry, wait for it to dry.
The tissue is the saviour of the day.
It'll go everywhere. I am crying. Okay, all right.
Oops.
Next.
Blush.
Next stage is bronzer. So you've chosen the same bronzer, which is in the
this was
Cheek
blush.
Leader palette from Benefit.
Is this where I'm supposed to put it?
Yeah,
I'm just gonna put it at the top there.
it's very good, Seth. Very
Thank
good.
you. I'm very good at powdering, but not the eyeshadow.
As you can see. This is too much here.
Yeah, for once bees put too much.
blend, 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 blend.
Need a bit more.
Okay, moving on to blush. We're going to be using exactly the same palette. This is the Cheek Leader palette again from Benefit.
This is. I'm doing two. I'm doing these two.
So B is using California and Dandelion.
I'm using Dandelion and Tickle.
And Seth is using Dandelion and Tickle to give it that little bit of sparkle on the cheeks as well.
I'm using Tickle
Okay, I
as
think
well.
that's
Professional.
I'm using Tickle as well.
And B's using all three. Okay, now for highlighter. What are you going to use for highlighter, Seth?
Fenty Beauty.
So Seth's going to use my really expensive Fenty Beauty highlighter, which is in the shade Kilowatt.
And I am using the MAC Strobe Cream.
Go for it.
Do I rub
B
it
putting
in?
it? I need to copy B.
Can I rub it in?
Yeah.
This is very glowy.
Is that where I'm supposed to put it?
Don't know what.
Why not, Seth?
Where are we supposed to put it?
Well, we've thrown all the rules out of the window so far, haven't we? So just pop it wherever you want. Usually on the tops of the cheekbones here as well.
Oh.
Okay, now you forgot to do something with the brows, didn't you, that you
Yes.
want to try. So B was desperate to try the Iconic London Brow Silk, which has got the little toothbrush sort of applicator thing.
Brush my teeth.
Go on then. Really dig that in there. That's it. So wherever you want them to sit,
I
in
want them to
whatever
sit on the
direction.
forehead.
Does this feel good?
It feels okay, thank you. What lipsticks have you chosen to use?
I have chosen the L'Oreal.
Yeah. L'Oreal High Shine. That one. And what colour is it, B? What colour does it say on the bottom? It's the
Shine.
642.
Oh, that's
One of my
a
faves.
faves.
And I have got the Superstay ink crayon.
Yep, by Maybelline, and it's also another one of my favourites, which I'll probably have to repurchase after it's been used today.
Oops.
Number 25, Stay Exceptional.
You going on my side. Rub your lips, Mommy, on my side. Now, open.
Hang on.
Mine looks quite good actually for once.
Says yours always looks good.
Very nice. Are we done?
I think so.
I think we're done. Don't I look absolutely phenomenal?
Yes.
What do you think, Bea? I really hope you've enjoyed watching this video. I know I've really enjoyed playing around with these two. Have you enjoyed it?
Yes.
Have you enjoyed it?
Yes.
See you all in the next video. Bye everyone.
Bye.